in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable dark mode on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the launcher and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select where it says wallpaper and style. And then on the right side where it says set your wallpaper and style, go ahead and select that. And then scrolling down, there should be something that says dark. Go ahead and select that. And that's all you have to do. So you can see light mode and you can see dark mode. So like I said, pretty straightforward. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.